Hello. Now for the introduction part of our video, which is what I'm going to be presenting in this part. Now, mainly as what it stated already in this presentation, is that the different modes of transportation is very vital, especially towards the global economy that we have and our career that we've chosen, international business, is very intertwined with this, since the different modes of transportation have its own characteristics, specifically advantages and disadvantages that we would each want to use for the different types of circumstances on the product we want or the different type of service that we are providing to our customers. Now, in continuation to what we are going to be presenting is the main means of transportation that has already been acknowledged, which are the ones of air travel, maritime travel, rail travel, and road travel, as those are the main ones that we have already established in class previously. What we wish to provide for the beginning and for this work in general is our way of communicating our understanding of the differences that are crucial for us to have more informed decisions on choosing different types of transportation, differentiating between the types of products that we have. This also, like previously stated in class, helps us to coordinate better in the supply chains and the products in the most optimized way in being able to transport them. This way, our transportation logistics are much more smoother and efficient in the long run. Now, so that we can continue on to the next part and the main parts of what this work is about, the different types of modes of transportation.
What is air transportation? This kind of transportation involves moving people, goods, and mail through the use of aircraft, such as airplanes, helicopters, and other flying vehicles. The advantages of this method is the fast delivery time, which is one of the most interesting features of air transportation, since there is no faster transport service than air transport. There is no physical limits, it's reliable, and for long distance travels. This kind of transport covers it, which gives the advantage to international trade. Now we have the disadvantages, which is the first one is expensive, it's the least economical mean of transport, and there are too many restrictions. Some cannot carry certain products or goods. It suffers from certain restrictions, especially in liquid products. And the last one is the weather dependency, where flights can be delayed or canceled due to the weather conditions.
Maritime transport. This refers to the movement of goods across navigable waters. It is one of the oldest and most important kind of transportation in global trade. Some advantages of this transport is that it's cost effective, is energy efficient, and is safe and reliable for bulk cargo. Some disadvantages for this transport is that it's slow in transit time compared to air transport. It is weather dependent and may face delays, and it is port congestion and custom delays can occur. So that's why some kind of business of import and export don't use it.
Road transportation. This is the movement of people and or goods using vehicles and roads. It's used for both passenger and freight transport using vehicles such as cars, trucks, buses, and bicycles. The advantages are that it's highly flexible, it offers direct routing, meaning there is no need to transfer to other modes of transport, and the adaptability that can handle a wide variety of cargo. And in the disadvantages, we can find the environmental impact with high consumption of fuels associated with gas emissions, the congestion of roads leading to delays and longer transit times, and limitations based on the road's infrastructure and regulations.
Hi, I'm gonna talk about rail transport, some characteristics, advantage, and disadvantage. The characteristics of rail transport includes fixed routes and schedules, operates on tracks, suitable for long distance and bulk transportation, and high capacity for passengers and freight. The advantage of rail transport includes cost-effective for long-distance freight transport, environmentally friendly, lower carbon emissions compared to road and air, safe and reliable, fewer accidents and delays, high capacity, can carry large volumes of goods or passengers. The disadvantage of rail transportation includes lack of flexibility, limited to fixed routes and schedules, high initial costs. Building a rail infrastructure is expensive, slower than air transport for long distance passenger travel, and not ideal for short distance or small lots. Thank you.
So, in conclusion, transportation is a key element in global trade, connecting countries and facilitating the flow of goods and people. Each mode, air, maritime, and road, offers unique advantages and faces specific challenges. Understanding their characteristics allow business and nations to choose the most efficient and sustainable options, strengthening international commerce and economic development.